Feeling stressed, anxious, like your mind won't slow down? Today, I'm going to show you a simple, quick, and neuroscience-backed technique to calm your brain and body in just a few minutes. And the best part? You can do it anywhere. Stress and anxiety are natural brain responses. They happen when your nervous system thinks you're in danger. The problem is, there's no tiger chasing us anymore, but our brain still reacts like there is. Deadlines, notifications, pressure, it adds up. So how do we turn off that alarm? Neuroscience shows that we can do it by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part of your body that brings calm and safety. And one of the fastest ways to do that is through your breath. This technique is called the double inhale breath, and it's been studied by neuroscientists at Stanford. Here's how it works. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Right before you stop, take one more small inhale on top of it, then slowly exhale through your mouth, like a sigh. Let's try it together. Breathe in. One more small breath. Now exhale gently. Do this 3 to 5 times in a row. What's happening is powerful. This type of breathing resets the carbon dioxide levels in your blood and triggers lung sensors that send a direct message to your brain. You're safe now. You can relax. You don't need a 20-minute meditation. Just 2 minutes of this can calm your whole system. Research shows this technique directly impacts the amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear and anxiety. When we breathe like this, we're signaling that the environment is safe and that there's no need to stay on high alert. It also helps lower heart rate, clears your mind, and even improves sleep. You can use this technique before a big meeting, during an anxiety spike, or just before bed to unwind. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes for your brain to access calm. If you found this helpful and want more brain-based tools to manage stress, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share this with someone who needs a moment of peace. Remember, you don't need to control everything, you just need to breathe.